What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit, I've been sort of slacking off with the YouTube videos, but now I'm back, and today we got a great video, an unboxing of the Atreyu base model in the Battle Lies Within colorway. I'm really excited to see how this goes. I've got my Fear Only Regrets that I've been wearing for quite a while. I think they have 250 to 300 miles. I want to say probably like 260 to 270 on them. They'll still get a little bit more life. I think I can bring them up to 300, 350 before I break out the new ones, but I wanted to do the unboxing today. Full review on these coming soon, and let's get right into it. So we got the package here from Atreyu, direct to athlete. Since they only sell from their website, I saw they restocked, and this and the I don't know what it's called. I think it's All Things Must Pass colorway restocked in my size 12 the other day. So I was lucky enough to pick them up, and here we go. Okay, so we got the Atreyu shipping thing. And we got the two shoes in this plastic bag. So two, okay, first observations, they're definitely very bright. Pink is a lot brighter than it looks online, and the neon is very neon, which I guess is good for visibility. We got these things inside, and let me see how they compare. We've got these two. I would expect the pink one to be a little bit bigger because it's a 12 instead of 11.5. But looking really good so far. And I guess I'm just observing it right now. Let's start. We're gonna go from the top down. First we got the upper, very clean. No issues with that here. It looks the same as the other one, except for here. One of the things I didn't notice is it looks like this logo is in like a gold coloring, sort of, which is nice. And then we've got this text here, the Battle Lies Within, as opposed to on these, it had the Fear Only Regret graphic on it. Moving down to the midsole, one of the things that I definitely noticed is these look a lot flatter out of the not even the box, they don't have boxes, but then these, which have definitely been like more broken in. If you can see, the shape difference right there is definitely drastic, which I think is definitely coming from a lot of running and definitely being sort of forced up onto your forefoot right there. So that's definitely interesting. Got the insole. For the other ones, I took the insole out because I want a little bit more room. That's why I sized up half a size. But we'll see if I leave it in. I'll let you guys know. And I don't think there's really anything else with the upper. You could definitely go watch my first impressions video, and once it comes out, my full review video for the Atreyus. Got the like sort of fake suede-ish material around the lining and this back pull tab and on the tongue, and it's just a very minimal, nothing to it upper. Then we move on to the midsole. Looks the same as the Fear Only Regret model, except for it's a lot less beat up, and it is bright pink. So outsole looks a lot less worn. It's still got all the little things on there, obviously, because it hasn't been running. But yeah, that's sort of it for the video. I don't really know what else to say. These look really good. I'm really excited to put in a lot of miles in these in the upcoming block. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments about the Atreyus, I'd be happy to answer them. Please leave them down in the comments below if you like this video. You can like, subscribe, maybe check out some of my other videos if you're interested, and thanks for watching.